Talk about a lifesaver. I was on my way to meet clients to take a look at 2 homes, and he called me to tell me his car doesn't start. So guess what? I'm gonna bring my car jump start battery charger to his VRBO, and I'm gonna jump start the car for him, and you're gonna get to see it. This thing is a lifesaver, people. I'm telling you. If you do not have one, you must keep one in your car at all times. So let's go and watch me jump start the car. That's an easy one. You want to look up above? I changed oil on my motorcycle. That wasn't so easy, but I did it. All right, let's go jump start that car. All right, so here I am with my client, and we have my little jump battery starter. And you see, it is the size of a cell phone. There it is. Now we're just gonna start the car up.
How's that?
All right, so the moral of the story is when you're selecting a realtor, you want to make sure that she's prepared for anything. Yesterday, I went and met the car hauler for my clients who were shipping their car. Today, I'm jump starting their car. I will do anything to make sure I can get you out on the road, checking out homes here in the Villages, Florida. So remember, me, Robyn Cavallaro, car jump starter and realtor. So if you like that product, if you wouldn't mind, you can help me out. In the description box below, there is a link. It is an affiliate link. So I think if I make a couple bucks. It doesn't cost you any more, but it'll help my channel. I can develop more videos for you with a couple of bucks that I make off the jump starter. So anyway, let's go. Hey, I gotta go show some homes. I'll catch you later. This, can you see this? This is a car charger. What is it they call it? A car jump starter. And why I'm telling you about this is I was at a tournament in, where were we? Orlando last September, and came out of the tournament. My car wouldn't start. Of course, I have jumper cables, but they were at my house. That didn't help. There were a few people talking behind us, and I said, does anyone have jumper cables? And one of the gentlemen said, no, but I have this thing that can jumpstart the car. So he comes back with something like this. Can you see that? The size of it. It's like, all right, this is my phone. So it's the size of a iPhone 13 Pro. That's the size of it. And it literally jumpstart my car. It also has a connection here, USB to charge it, and for your phone and your computer, and it's a flashlight. So it's really great to have on you. This was such a great item. I bought it for my children for Christmas. Everybody got one, and my son has used it twice. I had my granddaughter the other day, and my daughter's car battery didn't sound like it was really starting very well, but we went to Best Buy and we came out, and lo and behold, it was 97 degrees out, and the car didn't start. So thankfully, she had this thing in the glove box, and I was able to jump start the car. Yeah, lifesaver. Now, I do have a link in the description box below for this item. I bought it on Amazon. This one I think I paid $45 for. It is an affiliate link, and what that means is you don't pay more But if you buy it through that link, I make a couple of dollars or maybe a couple pennies. I'm not even really sure. So if you're interested in this item, please click the link below. I don't know if that's focusing on it. There we go. They have all different kinds. And it says it'll jump start the car up to 4 times. So pretty cool. This thing you don't want to lose. This is your cable to charge the battery. Okay, so, oh, wait a minute. Hey, you know what? YouTube likes to send a video over here of what they think you might like next. So if you don't mind sticking around, you might want to take a look at, I hope I'm pointing in the right direction, this next video. I think you might like it.